I'm so excited because it's time to replace my florals. So these, and I got these. These are pink roses, and these is hydrangea, right? Yeah, this is a tinted hydrangea. I was feeling pink and I've been a little sad. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to undo this thingy from the bottom. Okay, then I'm gonna get the little flower thingamabobber. So let me fill my vase with water. Hold on, let me get my scissors. Okay. I'm gonna cut the hydrangea just a little bit so it can actually fit. Okay. Yeah, that's better. And then I'm gonna start placing the roses in. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, hold on, let me change the view so you guys can see what I'm doing.